So I'm back with a quick update before I move on. I gotta do all of the cuts on just the ends right here along the wall area, and then I'm gonna come back this way and then over that way. But let me show you this. And now I'm doing cuts on this end down here. This floor ring, as opposed to the one that I've done upstairs, this floor is a harder, sorry for the smoke detector, excuse me. This flooring is harder to cut, even though it's skinnier strips than the one that I used upstairs. However, this one covers more square feet. I have to do a small slither along this half wall all the way down. And of course, I've already finished that side over here. And then I'm gonna go this way. And then I'm gonna take up, this is the blonde floor that I initially had over here. So I'm gonna go toward the door and then try to work my way. I'm only down to 8 boxes. I have 8 boxes. I can't even remember how many I used to do this area here. And in case you guys are wondering, I know I've shared this before, even when I lived here, but in case you're wondering, this entire basement, the lower level basement area is 1,086 square feet, 1,086 square feet on just the bottom half of the house. And the goal was, I was trying to do this floor all the way back there in the back. Now again, I was having to go to several Lowe's and pick up every box that they had. This seems to be a very popular floor, as is the one that I put upstairs. So they don't have a lot in each store. So I'm hoping I'm gonna go ahead and finish like the ends, the end pieces, like this area here, and then the other end down there before I actually start going that way. And I'm hoping that I have enough flooring to at least do that side on the other side of the half wall over here. Hopefully. I'll come back and show you where I ended up stopping at with the rest of it. So yeah, this is what it's looking like. And again, even though this is a very large basement area, it's like the size of some people's apartments, it makes it look even bigger. It looks even larger. Again, the walls will be painted lighter color like the one upstairs, because I have another excuse me, I have another 5-gallon bucket of that paint. And upstairs is almost done. I'll show you that probably in the next video. I'm just focusing down here right now. So yeah, I'll come back again in this video, hopefully showing you how far I got over there on that side. But I wanted to show you this side first. Look at that. Very rustic. I actually chose this flooring with a man in mind. I could envision this as a man cave for somebody's man, you know. So I kind of wanted to be neutral, or is it gender friendly, man or female, but I definitely chose it with a man in mind. Like a man cave, kind of, sort of. But I do want to lighten up the walls. They're giving off I don't know if they're gray to you, but it's giving off like a minty green to me. Yeah. So that's that. Look at that. Come all the way on this. Walk back to the wall. And that's what that looks like down there. I actually love it. And these are way stickier than the other ones. Even though the other ones are sticky, these things feel like glue on your freaking hands. This floor ain't gonna budge. It's not gonna budge. And I'm loving the color variation too. So yeah, let me get started on the other side. We'll finish the ends and then I'm gonna start on the other side in just a second. Can I just say, finally, after all these years that I stayed in this house, I was going to change the door to a regular door instead of that, window pane door that had all the windows in it. Never got around to it. Here I am. I've installed this door. The door wasn't a problem, even though I had to create new notches where the hinges are, because their hinges were set different. So I had to create new hinges areas with the chisel. But this deadbolt, oh my God, this deadbolt. I had to YouTube. YouTube has everything you need. I YouTubed how to put this deadbolt on after 5 or 6 times having to undo it, flip it around, turn the forks around the opposite way, because why? I was looking at a tutorial on the wrong lock. So I actually typed in the name of this lock so that I could get the actual thing. I stopped doing the floor to do this. So I'm on this side now, but I still have to finish that, as you can see. And then I can go ahead and take this up and come this way, toward the door. And I have to move all this stuff right there out of the way. But I just wanted to say that after all this time, never put up a door for myself with the things to feel safer. As many scary movies as I watch, y'all know this, I'd be terrified of those windows getting broke out. But I've always used the two-sided key lock. I've always used that kind, where you have to have the key. So let me finish with the floor, and then I'm going to be moving this way, this direction, when I finish this area here, and then I'll come back again.